Air-to-water heat pumps have been used in residential buildings for years, but they have not yet made a complete breakthrough, especially in the higher output range. Belaria Pro 20-200 is the planner's first choice. We have developed 4 performance levels. These can be freely cascaded and combined, enabling us to offer efficient, sustainable, and future-proof solutions with outputs of up to 200 kilowatts. Cascading heat pumps is often considered challenging, but not with Hoval. Our units are supplied ready for hydraulic and electrical connection and fully equipped with a pump and pressure flow sensor. Only a supply line and a return line need to be routed into the building in a cascade, reducing both the installation effort and time. Thanks to its high flow temperature of up to 70 degrees, our Belaria Pro can be used in a wide range of applications such as renovations, new buildings, and for domestic water heating. Our Belaria Pro is a true all-rounder.